Okay, so debug console font family. If you try, obviously this is the font family for the debug console, which is here. And excuse me, if you try an autocomplete by pressing Control Space, you just have the default option. However, you can write any font name that you have installed on your system, even if it's not a web safe or standard font. Just gonna write Museo Sans, for example. Oh, actually, we need something written to the debug console, right? So we can actually see it happening. So let's launch a debug session. So I have this little hello world here. But actually, you know what? If we scroll a little bit, we're gonna get a bunch of jQuery errors. And we can now change the font family and see that change in the console. So Museo Sans, and it changes to that, or operator mono, and it changes to that. By the way, this is a $200 font, which is cursive, which is nice. Okay, so this is what this does. Now I'm gonna leave this as operator mono, mainly because it's part of the Cobalt 2 theme, which we will eventually get there. So I'm gonna leave it as operator mono for now. You can choose whatever font you feel is easiest to read the console with.